Study vocabularies of phrases. Number one, newspaper, cassette. Number two, magazine,ទស្សនាវដ្តី Number three, broadened, ពង្រីក Number four, need to travel ត្រូវការធ្វើដំណើរ Number five, politics magazine ទស្សនាវដ្តីនយោបាយ Number six, enjoy reading ចូលចិត្តអាន Number seven, real estate អចលនទ្រព្យ Number eight, sell money សន្សំលុយ Number nine, reliable business news ព័ត៌មានអាជីវកម្មដែលអាចទុកចិត្តបាន Conversations about newspaper or magazine. Conversations about newspaper or magazine. សន្ទនាអំពីកាសែតឬទស្សនាវដ្តី What are the benefits of reading a newspaper or magazine? What are the benefits of reading a newspaper or magazine? តើការអានកាសែតឬទស្សនាវដ្តីមានប្រយោជន៍អ្វីខ្លះ? Newspapers or magazines can broaden your mind about thousands of things without the need to travel. Newspapers or magazines can broaden your mind about thousands of things without the need to travel. កាសែតឬទស្សនាវដ្តីអាចពង្រីកគំនិតរបស់អ្នកអំពីរឿងរាប់ពាន់ដោយមិនចាំបាច់ធ្វើដំណើរ How often do you read it? How often do you read it? តើអ្នកអានវាញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា? I read it every day. I read it every day. ខ្ញុំបានអានវាជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ What's the best time to read the newspaper? What's the best time to read the newspaper? តើពេលវេលាណាដែលល្អបំផុតដើម្បីអានកាសែត? I think the best time is in the morning when you start a new day. I think the best time is in the morning when you start a new day. ខ្ញុំគិតថាពេលវេលាដ៏ល្អបំផុតគឺនៅពេលព្រឹកនៅពេលដែលអ្នកចាប់ផ្ដើមថ្ងៃថ្មី What types of magazines do you usually read? What types of magazines do you usually read? តើទស្សនាវដ្តីប្រភេទណាដែលអ្នកតែងតែអាន? I usually read politics and fashion magazines. I also enjoy reading about culture and tourism. I usually read politics and fashion magazines. I also enjoy reading about culture and tourism. ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំអានទស្សនាវដ្តីនយោបាយនិងម៉ូដ ខ្ញុំក៏ចូលចិត្តអានអំពីវប្បធម៌និងទេសចរណ៍ផងដែរ What's your favorite magazine? What's your favorite magazine? តើទស្សនាវដ្តីណាដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តជាងគេ? My favorite is the New York Times, which writes about all sorts of things: business, sports, movies, travel, books, jobs, education, and real estate. My favorite is the New York Times, which writes about all sorts of things: business, sports, movies, travel, books, jobs, education, and real estate. ចំណូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺកាសែត The New York Times ដែលសរសេរអំពីគ្រប់ប្រភេទដូចជាអាជីវកម្ម កីឡា ភាពយន្ត ការធ្វើដំណើរ សៀវភៅ ការងារ ការអប់រំ និងអចលនទ្រព្យ Do you read the paper or online news? Do you read the paper or online news? តើអ្នកអានកាសែតឬព័ត៌មានអនឡាញទេ? I prefer online news to save money. I prefer online news to save money. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តព័ត៌មានអនឡាញដើម្បីសន្សំប្រាក់ How much does it cost you to buy paper newspapers per month? How much does it cost you to buy paper newspaper per month ទិញកាសែតក្រដាសក្នុងមួយខែថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន I only buy a monthly newspaper so it doesn't cost much money around $5 per month I only buy a monthly newspaper so it doesn't cost much money around $5 per month ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែទិញកាសែតប្រចាំខែដូច្នេះវាមិនចំណាយប្រាក់ច្រើនទេប្រហែល$5ក្នុងមួយខែ What is the most popular magazine in your country? What is the most popular magazine in your country? តើទស្សនាវដ្តីណាដែលពេញនិយមបំផុតក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នក I think it would be Forbes magazine, a leading source for reliable business news and financial information. I think it would be Forbes magazine, a leading source for reliable business news and financial information. ខ្ញុំគិតថាវានឹងក្លាយជាទស្សនាវដ្តី Forbes ដែលជាប្រភពឈានមុខគេសម្រាប់ព័ត៌មានអាជីវកម្មនិងព័ត៌មានហិរញ្ញវត្ថុដែលអាចទុកចិត្តបាន With the popularity of internet, do you think newspapers and magazines will disappear? With the popularity of internet, do you think newspapers and magazines will disappear? ជាមួយនឹងភាពពេញនិយមនៃអ៊ីនធឺណិតតើអ្នកគិតថាកាសែតនិងទស្សនាវដ្តីនឹងរលាយបាត់ទេ Yes, unfortunately, it's just a matter of time. Yes, unfortunately, it's just a matter of time. បាទជាអកុសលវាគ្រាន់តែជាបញ្ហានៃពេលវេលាប៉ុណ្ណោះ Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1 newspaper cassette. Number 2 magazine ទស្សនាវដ្តី Number 3 broaden ពង្រីក Number 4 need to travel ត្រូវការធ្វើដំណើរ Number 5 politics magazine ទស្សនាវដ្តីនយោបាយ Number 6 enjoy reading ចូលចិត្តអាន Number 7 real estate អចលនទ្រព្យ Number 8 save money សន្សំលុយ Number 9 reliable business news ព័ត៌មានអាជីវកម្មដែលអាចទុកចិត្តបាន Thank you